Hey guys, it's your girl Be in Harmony coming at you with another video. As you can see, my hair is in a matted mess. Well, let me just take it back for 1 second. As you can see, my hair is in a matted mess. I've been on bed rest for 2 weeks and this is what my hair looks like after 2 weeks of neglect. If you want to know how to come from a crusty, brittle, and dry bum into a queen with the juicy curls, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I got done taking it out and it's a hot mess. I cannot deal. It's all matted, it's dry, it's brittle, it's not good, okay? And I'm really sad I have to go through this, but I have to go through it. This is the real truth about natural hair. At times when you don't have time to do it and you neglect it, I didn't neglect it on purpose, but this is what happens. And so don't a lot of YouTubers come on here and show you guys the real deal on what can happen with natural hair, but I ain't scared. So this is what it looks like right now. It's dirty, dandruff, dry, brittle, matted, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be going through a whole bunch of products. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of pre-poo my hair using my concoction of just water, hot water, and conditioner. I'm gonna spray that all over my hair. Don't wanna make it extremely wet. I just wanna dampen just to loosen up the curls and kind of break it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my coconut oil right here and use that to kind of, with my fingers, pull out any kind of shed hairs that I have. I probably don't have a whole lot, but that's not my concern right now. Concern is just to get this back to its healthier state and do what I have to do. So I'm just gonna spray this on, making it a little bit damp.
Don't know where to meet her, and she won't lead her, and she won't lead her. I just wanna be her, I just wanna be her. Free and cheat up, free and cheat up. She told me to wait, baby I don't wait. I just go get it, I just go.
Okay, so I think that is damp enough. So all I'm gonna do is just I'm not gonna tug it too hard or anything like that. I'm just gonna kind of work the moisture through my hair so it can have some slip and then start to break up. Okay, so that's what my hair looks like. It's pretty much, the mats are pretty much out just with conditioner and water. So now it's kind of like a little bit back soft, and it's not huge matted parts in it. So now I'm going to take my coconut oil and I'm going to kind of try to get as much of the shedded hairs out of my hair. Okay, so with just the coconut oil, I was able to get this much shedded hair so far, which is definitely not a lot considering that my hair was completely matted. But this is the amount that I have pulled just using the conditioner, water, and coconut oil. Okay guys, now I'm in the shower. I have separated my hair into 4 sections like I always do. Now I'm just gonna saturate my hair with all this water, make sure I get it a little bit looser and get it ready for shampoo. I'm gonna take my Herbal Essence Sulfate Shampoo. It is a sulfate shampoo. Of course, this is a wash day, so I wash it once with a sulfate shampoo and I wash it again with a non-sulfate shampoo. I'm going to take the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. I'm going to need so much hydration in my hair after that mess. So now I'm going to just massage my ends with it and rinse it out. I'm going to do this with all the sections. I'm just making sure that I massage my scalp and make sure I get some on my ends, and that is it. I'm done with the shampooing process. Now I'm going to go ahead and condition my hair. I did do a protein treatment using an Afro-G. I will have a video linked in the description box showing you guys how I did my protein treatment. Now I'm going to take my Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intense Hydration Conditioner, saturate my hair in conditioner, and go ahead with the detangling process. Now you guys know I love my handy dandy oldie but goodie oil. I put that all over my hair, put my hair into 4 buns as I sing out loud because I'm so happy, and I'm going to sit in this conditioner overnight. Now that I have rinsed out my conditioner, I'm going to take this leave-in conditioner, which is the Ganier Whole Blends, it's a honey version, and just use that as my leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to take Carol's Daughter Healthy Hair Butter. It's really, really thick, nice consistency, what I need to really moisturize my hair. Use that on my hands, and I am done. I have my curls back. My hair is juicy. Okay, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope this video can help some of you guys who have to deal with matted hair. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe. Please do not go anywhere without subscribing. Subscribe, comment, and share this video. Always remember that happiness is healthy and happiness is beauty.